guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Leanne. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today I didn't go to campus because yesterday when I went, two of my lecturers were not there. They didn't show up. So I just thought, also because there's this Easter holiday coming up, I just thought, you know what, let me just use the next 2 weeks to work, and then I'll just be studying at home, so I won't be going to campus. So yeah, so today we are at work, and I've already just got straight into it, straight into it. So yeah, enjoy the video, watch, comment, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Hey guys, so I am home now and I have 2 assignments to submit, so I'm just gonna get right into it. So I just got home, but there's something I wanted to show you. This is something interesting, because I was just like, okay, how do I actually get to use what I'm learning in school? How can I get to use what I'm learning in school? So basically what I do, or part of it, we can say that I am a social media manager / sales and marketing, something like that. I don't know what you would call it, but basically what I have to do is to create content that is gonna help us get more sales and stuff like that. So when it comes to that, there's also an aspect where you have to analyze and see what's happening, which videos are going viral, which videos have the most likes, the most comments and stuff like that. So I managed to download the reports for this month, for March, right? Because today's the 31st of March, and I actually saw something very interesting. The first thing I saw first was that our engagements and stuff and everything had just gone down, simply because I've been going to school ever since we opened for the first semester this year. I have been going to school full time, so I wasn't going to work. So because of that, I was not posting any content, I was not advertising anything, I just wasn't doing anything work related because I wanted to focus on school. So I looked at the analytics and stuff like that, and the numbers, they're not looking good, so I want to work on improving them. So what did I do? I saw that on the app there is a way that you can download the analytics as a CSV file, right? And in school we did ways to visualize data using different graphs, so that you can get valuable insights and information on what you need to improve and stuff like that, and what decisions to make further, henceforth and stuff like that. So I have the document, I have the file in my computer, and I'm going to open it, and I'm going to try to visualize the data according to how I think and what I think. So I'm going to use pandas. Yes, I'm going to use pandas and read the file, because it's a CSV file. So I'm going to use pandas to read the file, and I'm probably going to use, maybe if I don't use matplot library to visualize the data, maybe I'll use plotly or plotly. So let's just wait and actually see how this is going to look. I'm so excited to actually do something with what I am learning in school. So already on the dashboard it shows me the analytics, but it shows it as a line graph, so it's just up down up down up down. But I want to be able, I took the data for myself on my computer so that I can use it. I can redo the same thing, but maybe not a line graph, maybe a bar chart or something, I don't know. Let's see how that's gonna look like. But actually I shouldn't get distracted. Let me probably do my assignments. So I think it's in my best interest to first do my assignments and finish them. Once I'm done with my assignments, then we'll get right back to this little project, because obviously I just what's the point of learning something and you cannot apply it, right? You cannot use it for anything. So that's the reason why. And I probably will do an all-nighter, because apart from that also I just wanted to start preparing for CAs. So I don't think I'll finish the assignments today, but I might finish them tomorrow. And if I do finish them tomorrow, then we can start like studying tomorrow, because tomorrow is the 1st of April. So then it just makes sense to start, on the 1st of April. So yeah, in the meantime, let me do my assignments and I will get back to you guys later. Bye. Soccer kits, and then I also have to print some stuff for some t-shirts for an event for a church, right? So that's also 35 plus 31 plus 14 plus 3 plus 1 plus 20 plus 10. Like this is also about like 100 or 110 prints that we also have to get done. Hey guys, so it's currently 17 minutes past 6. I'm supposed to be at home by now, but I have a lot of things to do here at the office, so I'm still at work, and I probably will leave here around 7 or 8, I'm not sure. But while I'm here, because we are printing at the back, I just thought, let me do my assignment. So I already did the cover pages, I already answered the questions, I already did the references. All I need to do is just like read through it and like just perfect it, just like go over it again, and then it will be ready to be submitted. So you can see here I'm doing my assignments. Let me show you. So for both the assignments, I've already put the cover pages. It's actually incredibly difficult in a way and tricky to put the cover page, because if you just copy it from the PDF document, it's just gonna be all over the place. So I had to rearrange this, put this again, and retype everything. I just had to deal with that. So I did the cover page, and then I did the table of contents, and then also you can see here, so it will be easy to get to each question. So now it's time for me to actually read what I wrote already, or what I have this side. I just have to read what I have this side, and just try to make it better and stuff like that. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'll be done with these assignments. Probably today I'll finish one, and then tomorrow I'll finish the other one, or I can do both tonight. Just depends on what time I get home. So now I have to do like the most important part, which is to just wrap it up, read it again, make sure everything is fine, everything makes sense, and that'll be it. Yeah, I'll submit it probably on Saturday. I'll submit it on the day that it's due, but I want to finish it today or tomorrow. I can finish one today and do the other one tomorrow, or I can finish both today. It just depends on what time I'm going to sleep tonight, right? I can do an all-nighter and just finish it all at once, because I already have like the important parts out. I just need to filter some stuff, read it again and stuff like that. So that's the only thing that's left for the assignment, and then I will see you guys later. So show you guys what we're printing, right? So hold on. Again, guys, so I'm now flowing, basically just answering the questions slowly, and just making sure that everything is properly detailed and stuff. But I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you liked the video, so watch, share, comment, subscribe, and like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.